Hey foodies, welcome to Flavor of Cook where we will create, learn and taste something new every day. Today we are going to make Halwai style Gajar ka halwa. To make a Gajar ka halwa, here we have peeled carrots. Here we have going to use grater for a grating carrot. Now our grated carrot is ready. Now let's put kadai on a medium flame and add 50 gram of ghee in a kadai. Our ghee is hot. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of dry fruits in it and roast it properly. Our dry fruits are roasted properly. Now let's take it out in a plate. Now let's add grated carrot in a same kadai. Let's roast carrot properly for 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. After our carrot is well cooked, we will add 100 ml of milk and mix it well. Now let's add 100 gram of sugar and mix it well. Now let's cover the kadai and cook our halwa on a low flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the lid and stir it well. Now our halwa is cooked properly. Let's add half teaspoon cardamom powder to it. Add 1 tablespoon of roasted dry fruits. Now let's mix them all properly. Now we add 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix it well. Now we stir it for 2 minutes. Now let's add 100 gram of khoya and mix it well. Our carrot halwa is ready to serve. Now we put it in a plate and garnish with some dry fruits and khoya. To see similar recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe and share your experience with us.